So we're looking at some new spaghetti tonight, basically.
Let me tell you something. There's a new bowl of spaghetti. We're talking about the models and how we put them all together and show you the forecast track, or what at least we look at right now.
For the hurricane.
It's early for what will be, I think, Hurricane Harvey. That in a moment. First, some more pictures from yesterday. The Great American Eclipse. Look at this. First, John Pichot caught this so well. That's a diamond ring.
What?
Isn't that
Really?
cool? Isn't that, well, not really.
I can't imagine even how he did it.
Can't you see that? Isn't that cool?
How did he get that
Well,
picture?
it's just what happens when you take a camera and just the way the sunlight hit that, it's the diamond ring. Very beautiful, John. Keep up that great work with the camera lens. All right, let me show you what else we saw. This was the incredible shot. Robert Ramirez, he's doing a selfie, okay? And when he first was taking the shots, he said, the sun's way too bright. I can't possibly get a good image with this. But you see that little dot on his forehead? Yeah. You see that? Take a look now.
No way.
That's the eclipse.
It.
That's the eclipse.
Oh, wow.
Can you believe it? He catches the eclipse on his forehead. Robert Ramirez nearly reaching totality.
Well done.
Robert and San Antonio reached totality in 2024. So, Robert, Lord
7
willing,
years.
we'll all do it together, brother. Thank you for those pictures. That is just incredible. Radar tonight. We still have some heavy rain between San Angelo and Lubbock. Now, this is in association with a frontal boundary that stretches from the Panhandle up into Oklahoma. Not expecting much farther progress to the south on that. But look what happened today. A few sea breeze showers showing up as the Gulf of Mexico starts its onshore flow and starts putting to some work on some sea breeze activity. That means the high is beginning to loosen its grip a bit and start centering itself more towards Mexico. It's going to move west, and that's going to open the door for what's going to be Harvey. What I was calling the storm formerly known as Harvey went to tropical wave status, has moved across the peninsula now, and is beginning to reemerge in the Bay of Campeche. Remember, the bay is in the southern area here, and then the Gulf of Mexico. This body of water very deep and very warm. And right now, the upper level winds are quiet. So this system will not get sheared. And as it moves into the southern Gulf of Mexico, into deeper, warmer water, it is expected at about this point, which could be Friday morning, to become a hurricane. Could become a Category 1. I don't think it becomes much stronger than that, but Category 1 is definitely within the window of opportunity. Now the change on what this forecast track was saying. Earlier, we were bringing it in at Corpus Christi. Look what's happening now. Almost a beeline for San Antonio. 2 out of our 6 to 7 models here are bringing it right into Bexar County. So this could change things. The first model consensus was pulling it a little bit more to the east and keeping San Antonio on the more quiet side. That could spell out a lot more rain. Either way, it's going to be a lot of rain on the Texas coast, especially once we get into Friday, Saturday. Look at those bands of what could be some very heavy rain. This one scenario that could unfold, which would be pretty dangerous, is if both domes of high pressure, the one to our west and the Bermuda High to the east, kind of put a squeeze play on Harvey and stall him out. That could really happen, and this system just sits on the Texas coast and uses that western Gulf as a huge supply of moisture to bring us days and days of rain. That's the worst case scenario. It's got to be mentioned. All right, 97 tomorrow, sunny skies. So tomorrow will start with some morning clouds, afternoon sun, not much different than today. 30% chance we start seeing a few sea breeze showers make it to San Antonio Thursday. But look at the rain chances Friday and into the weekend. Saturday is a soaker into Sunday, 50-50. So we're looking at some very heavy rain. And again, guys, if that scenario pans out, we could be looking at a pretty wet situation. So we'll keep you updated, Sarah.
All right. Thanks, Bill.